Yes, students, good morning to all of you. Take out your notebooks, pencils and eraser with you. Please hurry up. Pencil or pen? Pen you have, no? Pen. Yes, Lakshita, Hiteshi, Shuksham, keep your cameras on, beta. Sit properly. Yes. So yes, my dear students, today we will start with one new topic. Okay. And the name of the topic is active and passive voice. Okay. So students, there are two ways of expressing an action by using the transitive verb. Okay, there are the two ways I said to express the action, or we can say that by using the transitive verb. The very first one is like, you people are not supposed to write anything. First of all, listen to me, right? The very first sentence is like, a letter. Okay, here the Sham is subject. Listen very carefully. Sham is the subject. This is the form of the verb, and a letter is object. Okay. So in this sentence, listen again very carefully. Sham is the subject. Note is the verb, and a letter is the object. So here, what is this? So we can say that the subject Sham. Okay, he is the door of the action. What he is doing? Wrote the letter. उसने क्या करा था या वो क्या कर रहा है? Right. उसने write करा एक letter को, ये लिखा. उसने letter को लिखा according to this sentence. Okay. So therefore the verb wrote in the sentence is said to be the active voice. I just want to say that कि जब हमारे पास एक डोर का जो एक्शन है वो डायरेक्टली स्टेट हो रहा है what he is doing, so that type of sentence is known as the active voice. Am I clear? So now listen. A stands for active, and how we take the passive now. See, a letter was written by Sham. A letter was written by Stop. So here, the both the sentence means same. As I told you, we have two ways to express our sentence. Sham wrote a letter. Sham ने letter लिखा. A letter was written by Sham. एक letter Sham द्वारा लिखा गया. Meaning is same. But when we have to convert this active into the passive voice, what we do? The object of the active, जो active में बचे object है, वो क्या होगा? वो passive का subject बन जाएगा. Like this. Clear? And after that, according to verb, हम verb देखेंगे. Verb यहाँ पे present है, past है या future. So according to it, we will make changes. Okay, there are some rules we have to apply to convert active into passive voice. Am I clear? And after that, the rule here the second form of verb is given in the active. So that's why a letter is singular. So that's why here we apply was. And the third form of the verb, write, wrote, written. And here we use one preposition by, and here the subject. So this is all about the basic of the active passive voice. So what we can say from there? So a verb is said to be in the passive voice, right? If the subject of the verb is acted upon the action. Okay. So the basic is clear to you. How we, when we have an active sentence in front of us, first of all we have to focus on the subject, then we have to focus on the verb, then on the object, and after that हमने जो ऑब्जेक्ट है, जब हमने एक्टिव का पैसिव बनाना है, सबसे पहले हमने क्या करना है, जो ये ऑब्जेक्ट है इसका सब्जेक्ट बनाना है, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू रूल्स नाउ टर्न बाय टर्न कि आपको रूल्स कैसे अप्लाई करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? So there is no need to write anything. Yes, those who are online, is it clear? Yes. Yes, Manobal. Yes, Manobal. Type your query in chat box, beta. So now there is no need to write it down. So before starting it, I would like to give you a few rules also. Okay. So now you have to start writing down the rules. तो आपने देखा कि जैसे यहाँ पे शाम था, तुमने शाम का तो शाम रख दिया, बट अगर हमारे पास कुछ प्रोनाउंस होते हैं, जैसे ही हो गया, आई हो गया, वी हो गया, यू हो गया, तो उनमें कुछ चेंजेस लेके आते हैं, राइट? सो नाउ राइट डाउन द रूल्स. Give heading rules, steps to change the voice, or we can say that the rules is fine. So the very first one is when the verb is changed from, write down, when a verb is changed from active into passive voice, active into passive voice, the object of the verb becomes the subject. And vice versa. What is the meaning of vice versa? It means to say उसका opposite हो जाना. Vice versa means to say किसी चीज का opposite हो जाना. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा ना, subject का क्या बन गया? Object. Object का क्या बन गया? Subject. So now write down subject. Give heading object, leave space. So write down the subjects I, B, U, E, she, it, they. Code is clear? first one is they. Okay, is changed into, write down, is changed into, I is changed into me, and you have to learn it also. I is changed into me. We is changed into us. You is changed into, yes, speak out. You. He is changed into, next. Yes, Japni. Fine, code is visible. Lakshika, do your work. Next one, she is changed into, she is changed into her. Her. And it is changed into it. Now code is clear. It is changed into it. It and they is changed into them. They is changed into them. So the very first rule is clear. Okay. Yes, Bache, have you done? If anybody has any problem, any question or any query, ask me. Yes, Angel. The meaning of vice versa means to say the opposite. As I gave you one example, जहाँ पे हमने subject का object बना दिया था और object का subject बना दिया था. It means vice versa. Like a letter. Letter active में क्या था? Object. And when we convert that active into the passive voice, what we did? We start our passive from that object, a letter. Am I clear? Okay. So yes, have you all done? Yes. Make haste. Fine. So and after that, this is the one basic rule. And after that, I hope you all know that when we convert, right, any active voice to passive voice, we always use which form? Third form, past participle, right? The third form. Yes. नहीं कोई भी आ सकते हैं. We will start with the rules now. पर हमने third नहीं किया. Yes. Yes, बच्चे, have you done? So all the basic rules, the very first rule is you have to change the subject into object and the vice versa is clear. And after that we have to use the third form of the verb in the passive voice. And one thing more, we have to use the preposition by also. In passive and if the words are like no and all that, तो उनके साथ हम to preposition भी use करते हैं, right? And so now let's start with the rules. Okay, what is the rule of the simple present tense? What is the rule of the simple present tense? Tell me. Yes. What is the rule of simple present tense? Yes. Subject plus first form of the verb plus object with S and ES also. Use S and ES also. So now students, listen to me. First of all, we are talking about the simple present tense. Okay, simple present tense. So in simple present tense, what is the ruling people have in your active voice? What is the rule for your active voice? First of all, you will write the subject. जो tense का rule है वही active का rule है. Subject, then convenient. First form of the verb, and with it we use S and ES, and that is according to subject. And after that we use the object. So when you people have this sentence in front of you, अब आप एक sentence को read out करके आपको ये तो judgment होती है कि this sentence is active or this sentence is passive, right? So now see, give heading now rules को आपने लिखी हुई है ना, simple present tense, active subject plus first form of the verb plus S or ES or object, and you have to convert this into subject plus is in are plus third form of the verb plus object. So this is the rule. For example, now write down examples also. Suppose you have one sentence. He teaches me. He teaches me. Understood? So when you have a sentence in front of you, first of all you have to read the sentence very carefully. Okay? Yes, beta, you have to write. You have to write the rules now. You have to write the example. Okay? So here